thanks very much for stopping.
Pleasure.
Can you introduce yourself, maybe tell us your name, where you're from, maybe
Sure.
what you're doing here in SIDS4?
Absolutely. I'm Roderick Gordon. I'm from Jamaica, the lovely island of Jamaica. I am a lawyer and I am here representing the consultancy called SERA, which is a Clean Energy Reform Regulatory Advisory. And so the focus of SERA is to try and help islands, help countries look at their regulatory and legislative framework, help speed up the reforms that are necessary so that these critical adaptation and critical renewable energy projects can be onboarded as quickly as possible. We keep speaking about the challenges that we face with finance, attracting finance. The reality is that the global financial infrastructure is not going to change in 2 years, and we need to start procuring projects now. So we have to work within the existing financial infrastructure, and it means that the requirements that are needed in any type of project have to be present in whatever you are tendering, whatever you're asking a request for proposal for. So you're looking for a pretty good PPA. You're looking for...
What's PPA?
A PPA is a power purchase agreement.
Okay.
And so this is really the contract between the independent power producer that's going to supply that renewable energy onto a national grid. That's usually the model. The national grid is owned by the utility, the national utility, and so you come as a independent power producer, whether you're a solar producer or a wind producer, and you're providing that power into a national grid.
Are you seeing change? Is there obstacles? What are the main barriers you're facing? You mentioned the outdated financial system.
Absolutely. I mean, the biggest obstacle is to get us looking closely at the structure. Okay? There is no doubt that we've all agreed to pursue SDGs. We all understand the climate impact. And we're talking about that a lot. And we're saying, yes, we need these projects. What we need to do is look at our own internal infrastructure as countries to see, are we attractive to finance? Are we attractive to project developers? And fix that. It's not hard to fix. Do you have a procurement agency? Whether you do or not, you're going to need some procurement process. Does the government own the utility, and is the government also going to be contracting and work out, okay, we need to ring fence that entity that will be contracting separate and apart from the ministry, who's going to be issuing the license. So, can you be negotiating with the minister who's going to say, here are the terms of your license, and by the way, you're trying to get a good PPA. So these are some of the things we need to do quickly, because we're speaking about doing this quickly. We cannot rely on public finance to do this. We have to rely as well on private finance. So we have to meet the current terms, the current conditions that are necessary to start these projects. 2030 is not far away. Most of our countries have set 2030 goals, and then we're looking for the next set of goals.
Roderick, thank you very much for your time.
My
That was
pleasure.
excellent, and the very best of luck with your work, your vital work.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.